Your vision's first defender, vitamin A. Nourishing from the inside out. From clarity to growth. It's vitamin A at work. Let your skin speak health, naturally. With vitamin A. Bright and bold. Carrots, spinach, and sweet potatoes fuel your vision and skin health with powerful vitamin A. B12. Energizing your blood, nourishing every heartbeat. To feel alive. B12 powers every signal, every move. Wake up your world with B12. The vitamin of vitality. Start strong with whole grains, eggs, and legumes, the vitamin B family that powers your energy and brain. Your body's armor. Forged by vitamin C. Healing from within. Collagen built anew. Wrinkles fading like whispers of time. In every drop of citrus. A warrior for your immune system. Boost your immunity with citrus, strawberries, and kiwi, the natural glow of vitamin C in every bite. The sun doesn't just light the earth. It lights you. One ray, and vitamin D awakens your bones. From sunshine to salmon. Vitamin D travels. Powering your body. With nature's glow. Sunshine meets nutrition, stretch into the day with milk, salmon, and fortified grains for your daily vitamin D. Free radicals rise. Vitamin E fights back. A silent war beneath your skin. Soft. Smooth. Radiant. Skin sings under vitamin E's gentle touch. Wheat germ, sunflower oil, almonds. Treasures of vitamin E wrapped in each drop. A cut. A wound. Vitamin K steps in, clotting, healing, restoring. Bone strength, bones harden. Joints stabilize. Vitamin K seals strength where it's needed most. Green power, spinach. Kale. Broccoli. Green is more than color, it's power. Omega-3 lights up your brain like golden sparks in motion. Clarity, focus, and memory awakened from within. Your heart heals in golden threads of nature's oil. Each beat, calmer, stronger than before. Stiffness fades as omega-3s flow like liquid gold. Movement returns. Smooth, powerful, free. From salmon to seeds, omega-3s nourish your heart, brain, and beyond with every delicious bite. Calcium builds walls within you, bones like stone, strongholds of life. Every twitch, every heartbeat. Calcium speaks the language of electricity. More than just milk, greens, seeds, almonds, delivering strength and silence. Iron, the carrier of breath. Oxygen delivered to every corner of you. Fatigue fades. Strength returns. Iron forges warriors from within. Spinach. Red meat. Lentils. A meal of purpose. A plate of power. As the world sleeps, magnesium sings lullabies to your nervous system. Tense muscles loosen. Pain fades. Magnesium, the peacekeeper of the body. Stay calm and strong. Dark chocolate, seeds, and greens deliver the magnesium your body craves. Zinc stands guard at your body's gates, repelling invaders, empowering defense. A wound closes. A blemish heals. Zinc weaves its magic, invisibly. Pumpkin seeds. Chickpeas. A mineral disguised in humble food. Molybdenum, the unseen detoxifier. Toxins, turned into nothing. Molecular machines. Asleep. Until molybdenum arrives. A river of light. Molybdenum purifies every cell, every second. Packed with iron and protein, lentils, brown rice, almonds, and grilled beef liver fuel your body with essential nutrients. If you like this video, do subscribe to FitBuzz Trend.